So I changed my mind like 100 times, I guess. So I'm gonna leave this clear with the flex coat on it, right? So it kind of sparkles, and then I'll put a quick clear coat over that, and that'll be it for that. Okay, so that's done. Second coat of clear FX on here. If you can't tell, I'm kind of trying to get this all done. I'm rushing the coats a little bit. I stripped this back off. I didn't like it. It looked like shit. So I stripped it, start over again. Alright, to the magic of video. Those 3 pieces right there are done, clear coated. 2 coats of clear. Alright, that's it. A few minutes and I'll be back and give it the final clear coat. Alright, stuff's done. I'll let that clear coat dry. Alright, this is the hot bag, it's done. Just gonna polish it off and buff it out. Alright, time to put the pinstriping on. Glue some rubbers to the bottom of this, just like I did the others. And that way, if I ever take the bags off the bike and I set them down on the ground, it doesn't screw up the paint. Feel like a foot, you know what I mean? Let that dry for a little bit, and then we'll put the bag back on the bike. Alright, it's a little early, but it's dry. I'm just gonna put the horn back in. Just gonna polish this up a little bit. Paint is technically not dry yet. Like I said earlier, I'm trying to rush this. Trying to see if I can get the bike somewhat put together to ride this week, since the weather's gotten nice and cooler. Took me a while, but I got what I wanted. I got the look I wanted. So, I'm gonna have to glue this on. What I'm gonna use is my goop glue. I don't have much left, but I think I got enough to glue this on. I have to get this right the first time. This is a one-shot deal right here. Okay. I got that dry and should be able to put that on tomorrow. And I hope it can withstand the heat. Time will tell. I got the horn on. It's going to look really nice once this tank is green and the front end is green. Well, that's it for today. That's all I can do. Working with paint, it just takes time. I kind of rushed those pieces. The air cleaner, the horn, and the bracket. I kind of rushed them. I should have let them dry for another day or two before I went ahead and buffed and stuff. But give it a light buff, it looks good. I'm happy with it. I didn't ruin the paint job, so I'm good. Once these pieces are dry, we'll go ahead and put them back on the bike. The only thing I got left now is the gas tank, the front fender, and the fairing. The inside and the outside fairing. I'm going to paint both. Listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the series so far. There'll be more to come. A couple of times, as you know, I didn't like what I did, so I stripped everything back down and I redid it. That's all there is to it. Do I want to do that? No. But I want the paint job to at least look decent. So if I have to strip it back down and redo it, then that's what I'll do. You know, this is a project for me. Nobody's paying me to do this on their bikes. This is my own bike, and it is what it is. I'm happy with the paint job. I've done this before a few times on other bikes I've owned, and it's always come out looking good. The key is not to rush paint. Sometimes you get frustrated with it and you wish the paint would dry fast and whatnot, but it is what it is. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thanks for being here. And it's cool that I'm getting to know quite a bit of you. Kind of wish I had the time to get together more often with people and stuff like that, but I've been so busy with 2 channels, work. There's just not very much time left over, spend family time or whatever, but after all that's balanced out, it's just not much time left over. So, all right, everybody, God bless. Wish you all the best out there. Bye-bye.